Now in the HIV life cycle, we will first, if we see, this is the structure of the HIV or the retrovirus which causes the infection. So if we see the structure, that's the lipid membrane. This is the outer covering of the virus. That's the lipid membrane. Then inside the lipid membrane, this is the matrix of the virus. Then we have the capsid. So 3 layers you can see: lipid membrane, then we have the inner matrix, and inside that there is the capsid. And the surrounding lipid membrane has the proteins, enveloped proteins, which are like projections coming out of the lipid membrane. Inside the capsid, we have the RNA. This is the RNA, ribonucleic acid. Then we have 3 different enzymes present. We have reverse transcriptase. Transcription is done by the reverse transcriptase, and the name retrovirus comes because of this transcription or reverse transcriptase. This is the enzyme reverse transcriptase here. Then another enzyme is the protease. Remember, whenever you have ase at the end, that's the enzyme. And the function of the enzymes is to break down or to digest. Then we have the third enzyme, which is the integrase. So these are the 3 enzymes present carrying on different functions. So basic structure of the virus, we have lipid membrane, then we have the matrix, capsid. Inside the capsid we have RNA, we have reverse transcriptase, we have protease, and then we have integrase. And on the lipid membrane we have the envelope protein. So that's the structure of the virus. In this video, now you will see the cycle of the virus, and as I mentioned before, the main cells or main white blood cells attacked by the virus, this HIV virus, retrovirus, is the CD4 T cells. So first, if you see, this is the viral RNA. This viral RNA then forms single-stranded DNA. Single-stranded then becomes the double-stranded DNA. Reverse transcription occurs. So then we have integrase, an enzyme attached to this double-stranded, and then bring it to the host DNA and integrate it with the host DNA. Then viral messenger RNA comes, and this viral messenger RNA, in the presence of the viral proteins, then this whole phenomena takes place, and then it gets into the CD4 T cells. So mainly, if you see the cycle, it's pretty simple. It's the messenger, the RNA of the virus first form single-stranded DNA, then double-stranded DNA, then it becomes integrase. Attached to that, it comes to the host nucleus, and in that a messenger RNA comes and it integrates into the host DNA, brings about the changes, bring about the mutation, and then further rupture releases more viruses, and then keeps on attacking different CD4 lymphocytes or CD4 T cells. And these CD4 T cells, they are very, very integral part of the immune system. And that's how this viral attacks the immune system and cause destruction of the cells and affect the immune system of the individual and cause different diseases and manifestations.